Jaod bura ma Suba North Caroli Omondi okwayo mondo otim lokruok ne tend duond bura ma ODM kowacho ni moko kuom jotelo mag ODM dhi ketho duond burano. Caroli manotendore kod jatend migawo matudruok gi lony manyasani yudo walo e kar chung' od bura ma Uriri oyango ni odhi chako chenro mar neno ni othich oko Junet Mohamed kaka jago poro mar kweth manok e od bura. Caroli kata kamano opoyo piny owacho ma Kenya Kwanza kuom chwalo chenro mag dongruok e gwenge ma Nyanza. Ne oloso e skul primar makaduogo e kinde ma bende opogo chenro mar chiemo ne jodak ma Uriri.
West Kenya Cargo has.
Thank you, sir. Millicent Anyango Tieno, Assistant Chief.
Aruba application. Got to release application into.
These people, may God bless you about you. Country Commissioner.
Tunafurahia kuwakaribisha wageni.
We are very happy with Honorable Pio Wandai, and we believe he's doing a great job. But we have a problem with the Chief Whip, Honorable Junet Mohamed. And I think we need to look at that position and see how to reorganize it and maybe get a new person to play that role. We have basically lost everything in Parliament. Things that we could have won if we were properly mobilized. We have not been able to hold our own there. The last time we were in that house, 32 of us were inside to vote on the IBC issue. When the votes were counted, only 19 of us voted, yet the door was locked. So where did the others go to? I think it is a testament that people are not happy.